Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we're going to be smoking some bone-in pork chops. What we have here is a 10-pound prime rack of pork loin. You can see that this has already been Frenched, meaning that it's been cut away from the bone here. Primarily for presentation purposes. We found this at Smart Food Services here locally. If you don't have a store like that, you might check out your butcher. They're primarily, it's around the holidays where you'll be able to find this a lot easier, but you can always go to your butcher and see if you can get it sourced. So we're going to cut this into 2 bone chops, and then what we're going to do is we're going to coat them in olive oil just for a binder, and we're going to put 2 different rubs on. The first one is Smoky Okie's Okie Dust Championship rub, and the other is Heath Riles peach rub. Both of these are excellent on pork. If you were wanting to make ribs, they're great on ribs. So we'll get these cut up, and then we're going to rub them, and then we'll get them on the smoker. Now that we've got these chopped up, we're going to get some olive oil on them for the binder. And then we'll start with the Okie dust. These are really thick. Now, like one of these will feed 2 people. So we're going to go really generous on the rub just because of how thick they are. It's going to create a nice, really reddish color when it's smoked. So really looks good for presentation. Okay, again, we're starting with the Okie dust. We're smoking these on our Traeger Texas grill. We've got it set to 275 degrees. We're using Hickory pellets for this. Anticipating this to take about an hour and a half or so. We'll put a meat probe in. The target internal temperature that we're looking for is 140 to 145 degrees. So we'll get them on there, and like I said, about 90 minutes later, they should be about ready. Okay, we are about 90 minutes in here. You can see they've got some really nice coloring here. I'm going to get some readings, see what we're at. Yeah, this one's about 145. This one's got a little bit longer to go, but pretty close. So we'll pull these little ones off, give these ones a few more minutes, and then they should be ready.